children, how are you all? Welcome once again to geography video. Actually, I am in the habit of telling English for 5th, 6th, 7th, so only. Sorry, children. Welcome once again to geography video. This time we are discussing lesson number 9, map scale. So, you please read the textbook. I am going to explain all the points in this, and if you don't understand anything, then we will be seeing what to do. First of all, map scale. In map scale, there are three types of scales: verbal scale, numerical scale, and linear scale. Points to be noted. Maps according to scale: large scale maps and small scale maps. मैप स्केल में वर्बल स्केल, न्यूमेरिकल स्केल और लीनियर स्केल है. मैप्स अकॉर्डिंग टू स्केल में लार्ज स्केल मैप्स एंड स्मॉल स्केल मैप्स है. सर्वेइंग एंड मैप मेकिंग, ये क्या है? A particular region is thoroughly surveyed before its map is prepared. The distance between various points on a ground are measured during survey. To show the distance between various points on a ground on a map, the ratio of the map distance to the ground distance is prepared. Now, this was surveying and map making. What about map scale? Map scale is an important element of map. The ratio of the map distance to the ground distance is map scale. To show the actual ground distances onto a paper, some geometrical and mathematical conversions are made. It is necessary to mention map scale in a map. Map scale facilitates map reading and helps to know the actual ground distance between any two points shown in a map. Now we will be discussing types of map scale. Verbal scale, a scale in which distances are expressed with the use of words indicating measurements, is called verbal scale. वर्बल स्केल किसको बोलते हैं? जिसमें वर्ड्स इंडिकेटिंग मेजरमेंट यूज करते हैं, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल 1 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल टू 100 किलोमीटर एग्जांपल. तो ये वर्बल स्केल है. अब न्यूमेरिकल स्केल, अ स्केल इन विच डिस्टेंस आर एक्सप्रेस्ड एज रेशियो इज कॉल्ड न्यूमेरिकल स्केल. डिस्टेंस जिसमें रेशियो से एक्सप्रेस करते हैं, 1:1000, 1:10,000, 2:2000. इट इज़ ऑल्सो नोन एज रिप्रेजेंटेटिव फ्रैक्शन. ये रेशियो जो है ना, इसको रिप्रेजेंटेटिव फ्रैक्शन भी बोलते हैं. थर्ड इज लीनियर स्केल. लीनियर स्केल, अ स्केल इन विच डिस्टेंस आर एक्सप्रेस्ड बाय ड्राइंग ग्राफिकल स्केल, इज कॉल्ड लीनियर स्केल. Compass or blade of grass is used if the rulers is not available for the measurement. A thread is used for measuring the curved distance between 2 points shown in a map. When map is reduced or enlarged taking its photocopy, the verbal and numerical scale on the original map does not change. However, linear scale drawn on the original map changes as per the changing size of the map. Large scale maps. When a particular part of ground covers comparatively more area on a map, it is called a large scale map. A map having a numerical scale of 1:10,000 or less than it is called a large scale map. Maps of villages, church, agricultural field, etc. are large scale maps. Small scale maps. When a particular part of the ground covers a comparatively less area on a map, it is called a small scale map. A map having numerical scale greater than 1:10,000 is called a map, small scale map. Numerical value greater than. Maps of state, country, continent, world are small scale maps. Maps in an atlas are small scale maps. Maps can be read effectively with the map scale. Title, subtitle, index, direction, arrow, etc. are the elements of map. All these elements facilitates map reading. Now we will be discussing textbook पेज नंबर 60 पे आइए. 9.1, 9.2 फिगर नंबर 9.1 एंड 9.2 को ध्यान से देखिए. तो study the figures 9.1 and 9.2, have discussion in the class and read the following question and answers. Why is painter holding the way? Why is painter holding the way? Holding the pencil in his particular way. ऐसे क्वेश्चन है. The painter is holding the pencil in his hand in a particular way to draw a picture in a correct proportion scale. To draw a picture in a correct proportion scale. How can scene of this large landscape be depicted on paper? The scene of this large landscape map can be depicted on a paper by reducing its size in appropriate proportion or scale. इसमें ही वो वर्बल स्केल, न्यूमेरिकल स्केल ये सब यूज होती है. How is it possible to view all the countries of the world on one map? It is possible to view all the countries of the world on one map by using a scale in a map. By using a scale in a map. What is common to both these pictures? In both these pictures, the actual large distance on a land is shown on a paper by reducing the size in appropriate proportion or scale. Got it, children? So, the lesson is about this. You can see the page number 61. कैसे इन्होंने मैप पिंपलगांव, बोरगांव, नांदगांव, स्केल 1 सेंटीमीटर 10 किलोमीटर ऐसे करके एलिमेंट्स मैप के क्या क्या ज़रूरी है. और आप फिगर 9.5 में भी देख सकते हो. पूरे डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स है, मध्य प्रदेश का है. तो लाइक दिस आप टेक्स्ट बुक में पढ़िए इसको. वर्बल स्केल, इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ ग्राफिकल स्केल भी बहुत ज़रूरी है. ग्राफिकल स्केल के बारे में बताया नहीं है मैंने आपको. तो वेरी ऑफन इट इज़ नेसेसरी टू रिड्यूस और एनलार्ज द ओरिजिनल मैप. ड्यूरिंग दैट प्रोसेस द स्केल ऑफ मैप चेंजेस. देर आर मेनी मेथड्स ऑफ रिड्यूसिंग और एनलार्जिंग द मैप. वन ऑफ देम इज़ बाय टेकिंग अ फोटो कॉपी ऑफ द ओरिजिनल मैप and reducing or enlarging it. When the map is reduced or enlarged by this method, the verbal and numerical scale on the original map does not change. But if a graphical scale is drawn on the original map, then the scale changes as per the changing size of the map. Although the font size of the verbal and numerical scale changes, the values does not change. Hence, graphical scales are drawn in atlas and wall maps. Please underline that. Page number 63. Hence, graphical scales are drawn in atlas and wall maps. University premises आप देख सकते हो इसमें पिक्चर. So, we also discussed about large scale maps, small scale maps. Now, we will be discussing about exercise. So, which of the following factor map will be a large scale map? Which of the following factor map will be a large scale map? ये question to be noted down. Question to be tick the correct answer में question लिख लीजिए आप. Which of the following factors map will be a large scale map? तो 4 factors are given. Temple, state, nation, continent. तो tick it temple. Which of the following scale indicates small scale map? तो please note down the ratio of the scale of the map. 1:100, 1:1000, 1:10,000, 1:1 lakh. तो स्मॉल स्केल मैप कौन सा रेशियो इंडिकेट करेगा? तो 1:1 लाख को टिक करिए. अब आते हैं आपके टेक्स्ट बुक के इसमें. क्लासीफाई द मैप्स शोइंग द फॉलोइंग एरियाज इनटू स्मॉल स्केल एंड लार्ज स्केल. तो बहुत सारी एरियाज दिया है. तो पहले लिख लीजिए स्मॉल स्केल मैप्स, उसमें लिखिए कंट्री ऑफ इंडिया, वर्ल्ड मैप, महाराष्ट्र स्टेट, नॉर्थ स्काई एट नाइट, ये लिख लीजिए स्मॉल स्केल मैप में। बाकी बचे हुए लिख लीजिए लार्ज स्केल मैप में, क्योंकि उन्होंने क्लियर बोला है क्लासीफाई द फॉलोइंग इनटू लार्ज स्केल और स्मॉल स्केल मैप्स, क्लियर बोला है ना, तो इसीलिए। ओके, सो लार्ज स्केल मैप का बता देती हूँ, कुछ बच्चे होंगे ऐसे जिनको नहीं जमेगा। तो लार्ज स्केल मैप में लिखिए बिल्डिंग, स्कूल, चर्च, मॉल, गार्डन, डिस्पेंसरी। नाउ using map of India from the atlas, measure straight line the distance between the following cities and complete the table. टेबल को आपको कंप्लीट करना है, तो लिख लीजिए टेबल। सॉरी, मैंने ये बी क्वेश्चन नहीं पढ़ा, बी क्वेश्चन पे आते हैं। There are two maps with respective scales of 1 centimeter is equal to 100 meter and 1 centimeter is equal to 100 kilometer. Give a well-reasoned answers as which one of them would be a large scale and which one of them would be a small scale. तो इसका रीज़न बताना है। A का लिखिए out of the two maps with respective scales of 1 centimeter is equal to 100 meter and 1 centimeter is equal to 100 kilometer, a map with a respective scale of 1 centimeter is equal to 100 meter would be a large scale map. Reason, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters and 100 meter is equal to 10,000 centimeters. Point number 1. Point number 2. Thus the value of given verbal scale 1 centimeter is equal to 100 meter is 1 is to 10,000 in numerical terms of scale. A map having a numerical scale of 1 is to 10,000 or less than it is called large scale map. Therefore, 1 centimeter is equal to 100 meter would be a large scale map. Okay, children? So, now cities and distance. Mumbai to Bangalore, distance on a map 0.98 centimeter, actual distance 980 kilometer. Vijapur to Jaipur, distance on a map 2 centimeter, actual distance 2000 kilometer. Hyderabad to Surat 0.9 centimeter and actual distance is 900 kilometer. Ujjain to Shimla 1.14 centimeter and actual distance is 1140 kilometer. Patna to Raipur 0.75 centimeter, actual distance is 750 kilometer. Delhi to Kolkata 1 centimeter distance on a map and actual distance is 1000 kilometer. So now question number, the distance between 2 points A and B on the ground is 500 kilometer. Show this distance proper. ये बताना है ना आपको. Convert verbal scale of 1 centimeter is equal to 53. That is next. हाँ. The distance between 2 points A and B on ground is 500 meter. Show this distance on paper by a line of 2 centimeter. Express the map scale by any one of the following methods and mention it. ये प्रैक्टिकल है दोस्तों, ये आपको करना पड़ेगा. ये प्रैक्टिकल है, you have to do that. So next is convert verbal scale 1 centimeter is equal to 53 kilometer to a numerical scale का लिख लीजिए. 1 kilometer is equal to 1 lakh centimeters. Therefore 53 kilometer is equal to 53 lakh centimeters. Therefore the verbal scale of 1 centimeter is equal to 53 kilometer can be converted to a numerical scale as 1:53 lakh kilometer. 1:2 का मतलब होता है 2 पॉइंट डालना पड़ता है. Next is convert the numerical numerical scale of 1:10 lakh. 10 lakh है, how much you need? 10, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. 1:1 crore to a verbal scale in the metric system. 1 lakh centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer है, तो 1 crore centimeter is equal to 100 kilometer. Therefore, numerical scale of 1:1 crore to a verbal scale in the metric system can be converted as 1 centimeter is equal to 100 kilometer. Okay, friends. These are again question number 4 and all are what would be approximate cost of travel and all that are this what to say sums that they are. Try to solve that. If not possible, I'll be sending you in the next video. Till then, have a good day.